Yes, so today we're gonna make a slime with Princess Stars. So all you need to make a slime is a container. Next is you need glue. If you want the normal glue, then use normal glue. If you want the glitter glue, then use the glitter glue. The activator or the Ariel liquid detergent. So guys, ito na lang yung container namin. Kasi maliit yan.
Okay, so first, what we're going to do?
Add the glue.
What
Add
glue? That one or ito?
I don't know. Wow, what?
Yeah.
So, we will be using this classic glitter glue. Focus.
Focus.
Lahat?
No, just add a little. Yeah, we have this.
Of course, ikaw, we're prepared. Diba? So, yeah, naglagay na po kami ng glue. Konti lang kasi sayang eh.
The normal
Then,
glue.
really, no!
No, so
it will be solid one.
so when you add the normal glue,
Yeah, you can.
there's a glitter in the.
Oo nga.
Oh!
I'll mix the colors. So, why? Wait lang. Why did we put the white glue?
So it can solid.
Can be a light yellow.
Yeah, yeah.
Saan mo nilagay?
And kasi, pag yung light lang, parang hindi siya ganun magkukulay kasi clear glue lang to na may glitters. Pero, lagyan namin ng white para maging yellow.
Guys, we added this two glues and it come up with this color. It's
Yes.
light yellow.
Light yellow.
Yeah, with glitters. Next, you need to add the activator, and it's the Ariel liquid detergent.
Yeah.
Eh.
A Filipino.
So just it's a Filipino ingredient or activator. So just add a little bit, or else it will be solid. So there we go.
Oh, it's starting to
Yeah.
stick.
Show it to the camera.
Okay. Konti lang.
No, just a little bit. In here, so this is just Hindi po. Hanggang 8 yun. Hindi. Hindi ko tayo dun gabi. Madilim na. Diba? Yeah. this, we waste like one.
Is it still sticky pa din? How do you going to use? It's sticky pa. Right. Here. What should we put here?
Galing.
Oh.
Basta hindi nagsistick.
Bakit sa'yo hindi? This is the slime that cases.
Okay, it's sticking.
Don't put your
Oh
hand
my
in
gosh. Give me the tissue.
there.
No.
Okay guys, you need to go to CR ma.
Oh my.
Nagdikit-dikit sa kamay niya.
Ba't nagkaganon?
It's really wet. Wow.
I have to remove it.
Yeah.
Slime making gone wrong.
Okay, Casey's gonna watch. Slime. Wait.
Laki naman yan. Baka sumaglaki sa area.
Okay, so now I'm gonna go to CR because Casey's gonna wash his hands.
That's booger.
That looks like a booger.
We're gonna end the vlog here. So,
We did a fail video.
yes.
So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, subscribe to their channel, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!